First, the top stories. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences rep accused Suraj remanded to 5-day police custody. Ziri bomb total shutdown over highway extortion from this midnight. And court schedules Landhoni Romita next bail plea hearing on October 7. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. RIMS ECG technician Thokchom Suraj, who allegedly sexually assaulted a 12-year-old girl, was produced before the Special Judge Protection of Children from Sexual Offences POCSO Cherab Court Imphal today. The court remanded him to 5-day police custody. A scuffle broke out between the police and protesters when they stormed Cherab Court complex demanding justice in the alleged rape case. Accused Suraj was arrested by Lumphel police yesterday over the incident. The protesters also stormed Lumphel police station. A scuffle also broke out over the alleged rape incident at RIMS hospital. No one was injured. The accused in the RIMS rape case, Thokchom Suraj, age 31, son of T.H. Kula from Kaisamthong Moiram Lelak in Imphal West, allegedly raped the girl inside the ECG room. Medical Superintendent of RIMS, Professor C.H. Arun Kumar, said that Suraj deserves punishment for his action. He ordered all the male staff of the hospital not to repeat such crime and promised to provide medical assistance and other help to the victim and her family. Youth Affairs and Sports Secretary of Kanglei Park Students Association KSA Sanjoy Kulakpam said that only after intense pressure from the association and the family, the MS terminated Suraj from the job. Suraj is stated to be a contract employee of the hospital. Condemning frequent incidents of looting and extortion from passenger vehicles by armed miscreants in Nungba area on National Highway 37, the Jiri Ima Kaitel Chowkhat Tharanglop JIKCTL Jiribam has called for a 24-hour total shutdown in Jiribam beginning this midnight. This was informed by Joint Secretary of Jiri Ima Kaitel Chowkhat Tharanglop JIKCTL Jamini Devi to media on the sidelines of a sit-in protest organized by JIKCTL at Jiri Market. She claimed that the concerned authority has shown an indifferent attitude towards the matter. On the other hand, talking to media, Vice President of JIKCTL N. Nivarani condemned the act of armed miscreants indulging in highway extortion. She mentioned that a protest was already staged on September 20th last over the issue. However, the government still chooses to turn a deaf ear to the matter. Members of Baby Sana JAC along with her father Ningthausam Tomcho thronged the Cherab Court complex today, reiterating their demand that the bail applications of Landhoni, principal of Standard Robert High Secondary School Kanchipur, and her daughter Romita should be rejected. The mother duo accused in the mysterious death of Baby Sana are currently lodged at Central Jail Sajiwa. The Chief Judicial Magistrate of Imphal West scheduled the next bail plea hearing of the two accused on October 7th. A bomb was exploded inside a residence in Tamu town of Myanmar bordering Moreh in Tengnoupal district of Manipur, but there were no casualties. Reports are coming in of a bomb which was detonated at a Tamu residence in the wee hours today. The bomb ripped through the tin roof and parts of the residence. However, no casualties were reported in the blast. Tamu police along with Myanmar army rushed to the site to take stock of the situation. As per information, security has been tightened in the area. There was no immediate claim of responsibility for the blast. Women Action for Development WAD, a non-profit organization, today conducted a one-day consultation program on voluntary review of the implementations of POCSO Act 2012 and Juvenile Justice Act 2015 at Classic Hotel in North AOC Imphal. The program was attended by Child Protection Officer Sharda Moirangthem, Senior Advocate R.K. Sumitra, Member of Juvenile Justice Board Chinglemba, Officer in charge of Women Police Station A. Olivia and Bilashini of Imphal East Forensic Science Laboratory Mobile Unit attended the program. Sharda Moirangthem informed that a new scheme called Manipur Victims Compensation Scheme has been introduced, and under this scheme, 62 victims were compensated in 2018. She further underlined on the need for general public to have more knowledge about POCSO and Juvenile Justice Act. She also stressed on the need to form a village-level child protection committee and a block-level child protection committee. Subject experts talk on the related topic. Journalist Chitra Ahanthem moderated the consultation program.
Conviction tava trial say trial process thing na loi ba sumaina tawi x de yaur badi within 1 year de loi ga mani 30 days ki manu ta within 1 month tak magi related evidence na single report na su within 1 month pick up kada bani ado bo khoi na hojim decision course da sigi process sa thawa to police case me am lai bana su oron ba yai ado na khoi na dakar na special court ma child friendly oi ba angang na hi yeng bada court man da ba Adumba friendly over child friendly over special court over baby tangai khate ha sima si ina thamjani.
Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan today stressed on the role of education in a society. He stated that a family plays an important role in ensuring a developed society. Speaking at the Foundation Day celebration of St. John Boarding Cum Tutorial Center at Hotel Imphal, Dr. R.K. Ranjan said that a developed society can be achieved if families are well established. He noted that the system of the United Kingdom to educate every member of the family does not mean to get only formal education, but to train every members of the family about the values and norms of a society. He underscored the need to educate all members, especially youngsters in every family.
United Kingdom da poglai ba ngang khudinmak larik tamangadabani haibase society samaj adugi chanabi ne ba ai banate mina haibanate mathanda dum satnaraba yam chokhalaba samaj amagi society adugi mipum khudinmak se larik haingadam se boi chanabi ne culture ne karigumba family duna school da thaba ngamdraba macha do adurabodi imunda mama mapa duna समाज अमद चटकदब लमचत मथक थोंगबद चटकदब लमचत ममा मपाद उटकदब व्यवहार मागी फेलो फ्रेंड्स इंदा चटकदब नीति ngakdaba simse imungdudagi tambiragdabane haba to nioi amagi pokpadagi magi masada phumdana lochandana yauraba magi talent and IQ and qualities mayamado मधु करमायना साकाय हनगदगे फुगाय हनगदगे नत्रगा फोंदोक हनगदगे हाबगी गार्डनर अमगी रोल लौरिबा पाम्बी द इसिंग चारगा हिंग लई फजबा सालन बदो मधुगी दायित्वनिंग असि सेंट जॉन बोर्डिंग कम ट्यूटोरियल सेंटर द लौरिबसे
Security forces during a search operation at Chaiba village in Bishnupur district today seized a huge cache of arms and ammunition near the house of Jalangrong United Front Jet UF Kader Thandulung Thaimei alias Adum son of Kadi Khongpo of Chaiba village this morning. The security forces seized 172 rounds of AK rifle, 5 rounds of self-loading rifle, a Chinese hand grenade, 1 Busnell of 4x32E monocular day sight, 1 BSA 4x32 IR monocular day sight and 1 AK magazine. It may be mentioned that Thandulung Thaimei, aged 30 years, is a hardcore cadre of Jet UF presently operating in Jiribam, a police report said. A case has been registered at Bishnupur police station over the incident and the recovered arms and ammunition were handed over to the police station for investigation. District Superintendent of Police Priya Darshini Laishram said the operation was conducted following a reliable source.
Sigumba organization sigi any activities, subversive activities kumbase operate taudanaba chathadanaba haibasigi maikai sidai sta khoi gi district police na su chap chabi khoi gi CI ops mayam se adum from time to time adum pangthokuna lagli aduna akhoi da so adum specific information leiba matam da so akhoi na sigumba operation se adum chathajarakanda any khoi gi moi gi subversive activities mayam se thokdanaba necessary action adum lokhoje.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, Korean artist DJ Soda joins tree plantation program in Imphal.
Nupi ekhoi gidi khongthang khuding sikchiningai gi sikchiningai ngaktani. Mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli. Adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi. Manipurda ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo. Adubu ngasidi ekhoi chingnaningai oidre. Aikoigidamak Bright Enterprises ki Ningo Kudo.
Red Sopa,
an online store based on indigenous food items. Iramdam gi oiba chanaba potlamsing online da Resopper gi khuthang da line phangbigani.
delivers to all over India. Yamna thuba matamda delivery gi khudong chabasu phangigani. Delhi gi oinadi iramdam gi oiba mana masing singsu phangbigani. Masida sunatana same day delivery gi khudong chabasu pijari.
available for both Android and iOS.
Get 20% off on your first order. Download now for free.
Red Shopper. Get local.
Welcome back after the break. Manipur Forest and Environment Minister T.A. Syamkumar called on the people to come together and fight global warming. Syamkumar was speaking at a tree plantation program at Mongjamching of Imphal East, organized by Forest Department on the Green Manipur Mission Plantation. Famed South Korean DJ Soda Manipuri film actress Soma Laisram and Maxina Paunam, along with top officials of Forest Department, attended the program. Soda said that she really enjoys the Imphal weather. She expressed happiness in learning the concern of the public about environmental issue. DJ Soda also urged the masses to reduce use of air conditioner as much as possible.
Pichibi leiriba tongan ba kogi singer amadi artist amadi platform kya sangnai raba sport persons amadi agriculture da power ba miwe kya na mali ma lafa kan ngasi u thaba imphai ngak pasna kogi amata ngai pandam ni khudimak koi imphai ma ngak tak yadi hai bagi damakta my sisters this is Swada from South Korea koi loina na mayam chana usi plant to bin damani sigi theme di world is one. We need to save the world with unitedly. Amaga amaga pusin나가 피치비에서 ngakpas나 거기 이토니 가만히 반담다 우시 플란테이션 도구네.
일단 저는 지구 온난화를 위해서 에어컨 사용을 자제하는 편이에요. 그래서 집에 있을 때도 에어컨을 거의 사용하지 않아요. 제가 좀 더 얇은 옷을 입고 부채 같은 것들을 쓰고 그렇게 에어컨을 사용하지 않는 철칙을 가지고 있습니다.
She says she tries not to use the air conditioner to save the world for the global warming, so she better wears some t-shirts rather than using the air conditioner. So she's actually saving the world by reducing the electricity, daily lives.
First runner-up of Mrs. Iowa 2019, Victoria Okram, today assured that she will focus on spreading cancer awareness to the masses and work for cancer patients. She said this while interacting with media at her Mantripukri residence. Around 24 participants from across India took part in the recently concluded Mrs. Iowa 2019 held under the theme Cancer Awareness. Victoria Okram has also won Social Media Queen and Best Smile subtitles in the beauty pageant. She also expressed her happiness on the winning of the titles.
I mi state asidagi akoigi Mrs. category khaidoe akoigi category na aiga imanabi ama akoi Imphal digi ibani Mrs. category den ibani tawe aduga moigi Mrs. tagina akoi nupi lesabi ahum yawe adu chat akoi Imphal digi Manipur gi chatpa makai se akoi aina first runner up title phange aduga Mrs. Best Smile aduga Social Media Queen aina si title ahum si phangrakpani aduga Miss ki category dena Jessica Laishram mahakna second runner up mana phangrakibani aduga atopa contestant ahum duna so moiso subtitle amamam dum phangrae akoi chat Manipur gi chatpa mayam se adum title subtitle or so dum amamam di phangrakibani achievement dum mana phangrae koina
Maria Montessori School, Koirengai, Imphal, in collaboration with Polaris International United Nations, Shillong, today kicked off MMS Moon Conference at Classic Grand Chingmairong, Imphal. Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah, former diplomat of Indian Foreign Service, Nengcha Lobum, and Chairman of School Board of Trustees, Maria Montessori School Trust, Ajit Irom, attended the conference. In her address, Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah stated that ban and blockade largely affect the academic life of students. She underlined the need of everyone to ponder wisely and avoid giving unnecessary hindrance to students in their study.
The young boys and girls of the state are very talented and excel different fields, especially in the field of sports and cultural activities. They are blessed with hidden and innate talents. They possess a rare quality of adoption and requisite temperament. The Maria Montessori School, Imphal, started with a few students of lower classes at a place called Mori Angkong nearly 2 decades back. It's a matter of great satisfaction that now, in short span of period, the school has miraculously become adopted, having classes from pre-nursery to class 12 and also affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education.
Member of First Ukayo Literature Festival Organizing Committee Rakesh Konjengbam announced that First Ukayo Literature Festival 2019 will be held on October 11th and 12th at Trade and Center Expo, Lamboy Khongnangkhong, Imphal West. Talking to media at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, Rakesh said that during the festival, various resource persons will deliberate on literature. He added that such festival will inspire young literature enthusiasts of the state. Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur PPCM organized a prize distribution ceremony of Lamyanba Irabot Ningsing Song Competition at the committee office Wahingbam Lekai today. The competition was organized by Lamyanba Irabot Ningsing Thauram Committee on September 30th. Speaking at the function, social activist Jitendra Ningomba emphasized the importance of organizing such events. As a part of 64th Wildlife Week celebration, the Wildlife Wing of Forest Department organized a state-level wildlife photography competition cum exhibition under the theme National Landscape. Many photographers of the state took part in the competition where different related photos were displayed. Office bearers of Lamding Educated Welfare Association, Liwa Lamding Khumanthem Lekai, Thawal District today distributed pens and notebooks to students of Lamding Khumanthem Upper Primary School. Highlighting the importance of upgrading government schools in the state, Liwa also appealed to the civil society to give cooperation in developing government schools. Angom Ningthau Rosoraj Mani honored scholars by giving awards at Pandit Loisang Hall Palace compound today. At the event, 15 scholars of Tanyeiba Loisang, Panji Loisang, Pena Loisang and Karigors were presented with awards. Addressing the gathering, Angom Ningthau Rosoraj expressed happiness that Pena, the royal court music of Manipur, is gaining popularity among the youngsters in the state.
Masi khwaidagi akhoigi Manipur gi culture sida khwaidagi maru oiba music folk music ne na I thamjage masi yam important oiba akhoigi culture siga mari leinaba music ni akhoigi Manipur gi oina haiba wafun se thamjage.
Let's have another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of Lamjingba Times daily newspaper at Rs 10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our Lamjingba Times office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837-353352 or 9402-991-938.
Welcome back. Friendly Environment Warriors FEW organized a press meet at the conference hall of Jiri News Network JNN as part of Jiri Green Mission today. Advisor of FEW M. Romeo Singh said cash prizes will be given to the individuals, groups, clubs and civil society organizations who collect the largest quantity of plastic waste in the month of October. Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industry Corporation Limited, Government of Manipur K. Sarat Kumar Singh will sponsor the cash prizes, he added. Romeo further urged every individual, group and organization to collect plastic waste from October 25th till 29 and bring them to Chingdong Lekai dumping area. Jiribam Administration and Jiribam Municipal Council will jointly organize a prize distribution program in November next, he added. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will fly a sortie in a Rafale fighter jet on October 8 from a friend's air base in Paris to gain first-hand experience of the aircraft. Media reports said, quoting sources, Singh is scheduled to travel to Paris on October 7 on a 3-day visit, primarily to receive the first of 36 Rafale fighter jets. After receiving the aircraft, the defense minister will take a sortie in the aircraft. India has signed an intergovernmental agreement with France in September 2016 for procurement of 36 Rafale fighter jets at a cost of around rupees 58,000 crore. Assam's boxer Jamuna Boro will be the first Indian competitor in Women's World Boxing Championships 2019 in Russia today. Competing in the 54 kg Bantam category, Jamuna will face Irdine Dalai Machidma of Mongolia. Jamuna recently bagged the gold medal at the second India Open boxing tournament in Guwahati by defeating Manipuri boxer Y. Sandhyarani in the finals of the 54 kg category. The boxer also won a gold medal at the 23rd President's Cup in Indonesia by defeating Italian boxer Giulia Lamagna, the 54 kg category finals. MotoGP rider Marc Marquez of Spain was taken to hospital today after crashing out during a practice lap at the Chang International Circuits in Thailand, where he is hoping this weekend to clinch his 6th world title. As per reports, the local hospital where he received medical treatment had declared him fit to contest 2nd Thailand Grand Prix MotoGP practice. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences rep accused Suraj remanded to 5-day police custody. Jiribam total shutdown over highway extortion from this midnight. And court schedules Landhoni Romita next bail plea hearing on October 7th. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.